Yes, good morning, students. Today I will take only class 6 maths, and tomorrow I will take class 8 chemistry. Alright. So I can see some class 8 students are also entering. Still there are more students to come. I hope you people are aware of today's class. I sent a notification yesterday. Many more students are to come now. I can see you all are coming, very good. Once again, a very good morning to all the students, those who were watching the live class of maths class 6. All right. And I hope you people are well and healthy and enjoying at your home. The weather is too hot, so it is good to have live class. You can sit down at home and enjoy the class. All right. Excuse me. So today I'm going to start exercise 2E. You have learned exercise 2A, 2B, 2C and 2D. The last class was on highest common factor. Okay, I hope you all have understood and completed the work. Very good. Congratulations to all those who have completed. And I got one comment, one notification that one student couldn't do exercise 2C, I suppose 2C, the last part. Okay, so no worries, do not worry. So after completion of LCM exercise 2E, I will again come back and you can write me what are the exercise, which are the sums that you cannot do or you have not understood. Okay, so in this way what will happen, one day I will keep my class for the clearing the doubt. Okay, clearing the doubts. Okay, so that will be your that will be good for you as well as for me, that I will understand that you have understood the concept. All right. So one day I will send you the notification after completion of exercise 2E, that one day we will spend the time only to clear the doubts. So before that, I want you to send me in the comment box only what are the exercise, what are the chapter, what are the sums that you have not understood or little bit difficult that you find to complete it. All right. So that will be good for you and for me also. All right. So let us go with exercise 2E to find the LCM. The LCM, the short form is, you know it, lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiples. So in my first exercise I had already taught you how to find the factors and how to find the multiples. The multiples, again I repeat, it is nothing, it is the multiplication. All right. So we need to find the lowest common multiple, or you can say the least common multiple. Okay, the least common multiple or the lowest common multiple, you can say. Okay. Fine. So here I have taken an example, find LCM of 4 and 6. I will start with the small number, then we will go to the exercise and we solve the sum. I will select randomly one by one and try to complete as possible as today the exercise. If not, then I will take another class in on Wednesday. Excuse me. So find the LCM of, or the least common multiple or lowest common multiple of 4 and 6. Now first of all, write all the multiples of 4. To understand the least common multiple, I am making you understand the concept what is least common multiple. So what is the first multiple of 4? Is 4 itself. Then we will have 8, then we have 12, then we have 16, then we have 25, and so on. Okay. Now write the multiples of 6. 6 we have, then we have 12, then we have 18, then we have 24, then we have 30, and so on. Okay. The least common multiple means a multiple of these two number which is common in 4 and 6. We have to find a multiple, okay, which is common in 4 and 6. I can see some of you have already written the answer. Very nice, very good, excellent. You have learned the concept in your previous class. This is only the revision. Okay. Now, so what we will see? What is common in both? We can see. All right. What is common? Common is 12. If you go on, we will get 36 also over here, and we get 6 over here also. So after 12, what will be the least? 36, not before 36, it will be 24 also. So what will be the least? In this way, we have so many common multiples in 4 and 6. First we have 12, then 24 will be common, then 36 will be common. But the chapter or the exercise means what is the least? Least means the lowest one. So lowest is what? Lowest is 12. So the required LCM will be 12. This is your answer. So this is all about the least common multiples. What is the least common multiple? The least common multiple is, or the lowest common multiple, or the short form we can say, the LCM of the numbers are the multiple which is common in both the number is least, which is lowest. Okay, so this is the very simple concept of LCM. I hope you all have understood, and you have been learning this from class 4 onwards, I suppose. Okay, so it is very easy for me also to teach what you have already learned it. Just then we will see how to find. We can find the common multiple with the two process. One we call it factorization. This, okay, first method to find LCM is factorization, and the second is division method, and second we can find by the common division method. Here no more long division, this is called common division method. Okay, so we will start the exercise by using these two methods to find the LCM of the given sums. All right. Okay, so let us start exercise 2E, question number 1. I said I am selecting randomly because some of you do not have the books. Do not worry, I will upload the exercise in Dojo, so you can download from there and do the sums. So I will be doing the question number 1. Find the LCM by the help of factorization method of 25 and 80. Okay, 25 and 80. All right, now then we have to find the factorization method. We have to find with the help of factorization method. So write okay, right over here how to find with the help of factorization method is very simple. 25, find all the factors of 25, and I know it will be 5 ones 5 5s are 25. So factors of 25s are 5 into 5. Okay, then find the factors of 80. 2, it will be 40. Again it can go by 2, it will be 20. It can go by 2, 10. It can go by 2, 5, and it can go by 5, it will be 1. All right, so it's very simple. Okay, so write the factors of 80. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, then LCM. All right, we see what is the LCM over here. Okay, so you remember that in HCF, what we used to do, we used to find the common one. Over here we also will find the common one. So what is the common first? Okay, the 5 is common. All right, 5 is common. then let us write first the common one. Then what about the next? Then we will write the which are uncommon. Which are uncommon? Then we write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay? So if we find, what will be the answer? 2, 5 2 is a 10, 10 2 is a 20, 20, then it will be 2 2 2 2, and 1 5 is also there. Okay, so what will be our common multiples? First we write common and whatever left, 5 2 2 2 2. So what it will be? 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40, 40 2s are 80, and 8 5s are 40, which means 400 is our answer. What is the answer? We have 400. What is the answer? The 400. Very good. So you all understood how to find the LCM with the help of factorization method. Is you just write the number, find the factor of the given number. Here I found a factor of 25 is 5, 5 into 5, and the factors of 80 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Alright, now let us find only the common one. What is common? We have 5, 5 is common, so I wrote 5. And which are uncommon? 1 5 is uncommon, and 1 2 3, and we have to write all the factors. Okay, so in this way when you multiply this, you will get 400 is a common multiple of 25 and 80, right? So this is question number 1 1. Let me teach you the one sum I taught from here, and I hope you understand this is the method. Then you can continue to find the list common multiple of the given numbers with the help of prime factorization method. Then let me show you one example of one sum of question number 2 to find the LCM with the help of common division method. Yes, I can see some of you already found the answer 400. Alright, so very good. Okay, to find the LCM of the following with the help of common division method, I will do question number 2, that is 28 and 70 with the help of common division. Okay, so for common division what we do is you write 28 and 70, and as you find the factors you have to continue like this. So both are even numbers, so it can go by 2, it will be 14, and this will be 35. Okay, now 14 and 35 are the multiple of 7. It can go by 7. We can have 2 and 5. Okay, then it can go by 2, 1 and 5. Then you can write, can go by 5, 1 and 1. Alright, This is very simple. Okay, the common division method is very simple. So what you need to do is you multiply all the factors. That means the LCM of 28 and 70 is 2 into 7 into 2 into 5. Alright, 2 into 7 into 2 into 5. Very simple. Let us multiply and get the answer. 2 7s are 14, 14 2s are 28, and 28 into 5. If any doubt, you can write in the rough column 28 into 5, 40, 2 5s are 10, 14. So what will be the required LCM is 140. This is our answer. Okay, very simple. Again, this is one suggestion. Whenever you are solving the maths, at the right hand side of the same page, you can draw a margin for your rough column. Okay, make sure in the rough column you will use all your calculation. Alright, very nice. So I hope this two exercise 2E, question number 1 and 2 is very simple. You can use first factorization method, and the second you can use the common division method. Come on, I'll show one sum from question number 3. This is very simple. You can continue, you can do it. Question number 3. Here find the LCM of the following, and here we have more than 2 numbers. So I am selecting question number 5. Find the LCM of 24, 36, 54 and 60. Okay, 24, 36, 54 and 60. Okay, let us find. Again, the same ways. Here you have choice. You can use the factorization method or you can use the common division method. So I think common division method is very easy. So we can use this one only. Let us see which factor we can use to divide this number. 4, 6, 4, 0, that means even number. Let us take the smallest prime number. It will be 12, then 18, 27 and 30. So we can take again 2, it will be 6, 9, this leave it as 27 and this will be 15. I hope this can go by 3. We can take 3, 2s are 3, 3s are 3, 9s are and 3, 5s are. Again let us take 3, it will be 2, 1, 3, 5. We have to do the division till we get the prime number at the end. Okay, if we have any possibility that number can be divided, suppose the example I am giving you over here 3 and 9, so these are not a prime number. Okay, so what we need to do is you can still go on dividing it. Okay, so when you divide it, you end till prime factors or prime number, you will get the prime number. Till then you have to divide it. Okay, next, what the next part to be done? Very simple, just find the LCM of 24, 36, 54 and 60 is multiply. How many 2's? 1 2 3. So 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, then how many 3? 1 2 3. 1 2 3 3's and 1 5 will be left. Okay, so very simple, just write a factor and now you multiply. Let us check whether we have written all the 2 factor 2 and 1 is 3, 2 3 and 1 over here uncommon and 1. So 4 4 2's are 8, 8 3's are 24, 24 3's are 72, 72 3's are 216. Okay, and 216 into 5, 530, carry 3, 5 1's are 5 and 3 8 and 5 2's are 10. So our required LCM is 1080, the answer. 1080 is the answer. Very nice, very good. Okay, I can see some of you have already solved it before I could. Okay, congratulations, you are expert. So in this way you can find the LCM of the numbers more than 2 or 3. Okay, with the help of common division method. Okay, and again in the rough column, any multiplication, if you have any doubt you can write the multiplication and you're working. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. The question number 4 said find the smallest number which is exactly divisible by. So here what we need to do is we have to find the smallest number, that means smallest multiple of the given number which can be divisible by the given number. Let me do question number 2. 2 says 32, 40 and 72. Find the LCM of 32, 40 and 72. Here the question is not given to find the LCM. Here you have question is given find the smallest number. Smallest number exactly the multiple of these number which can be is divisible by the given number. So again let us find with the help of common division. Alright, again it can go by 2, 32, 16, here 20 and 36. It again can go by 2, 32, 20, 36. Okay, 8, 10 and 18. It can go by 2 again, 4, 5 and 9. Okay, here these are not a common, anything common. Still let us take it. I told you till we get the prime number. Okay, we got the prime number over here. Alright, so again easy, find the number. LCM of the given number is, given numbers are 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 2's, 2 3's and 1 5. Alright, okay, let us find. Let us find the question LCM. So again multiply. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32. 32 into 3. Again let us do the working in the rough column. 32 into 3, 3 2 is a 6 and 3 3 is a 9. So, and into 3, 18, carry 1, 3 9s are 27 and 1 28. 28, that means 288. 288 into 5, 5 8s is a 40, carry 4, again 5 is a 40 and 4 44, carry 4, 5 2 is a 10. 10 and 4 14. So we got answer is, let me check, the answer is 1440. So this is the answer. Now you can write this answer in this way. You will write in this way, therefore required smallest number is 1440. Answer. Okay, so little more, just you can write one line that the required number is 1440, which is divisible by 32, 40 and 72. Alright, so today I will end over here, and question number 5, it says find the HCF as well as LCM of the following pair. Okay, so till 5 I just leave as your homework. Whichever the sum is not done over here in the live class, you can complete it. And this exercise is very easy, you don't have to worry. Okay, only till 5 main question number 5 you can continue. Okay, till then I will again come back to the class on Wednesday, the same timing, so you can inform others also that by 9 o'clock be ready for the online class for maths. Alright, so I wish you, all of you, all the best. Be safe, stay home, and God bless all of you. So see you soon on Wednesday. Bye.